Hey, what's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to update you on Inuyasha. Token, fairly new token. It's been out since October, if I'm not mistaken. Has a little over 5,208 holders, so you know it's a fairly new token. But the market cap is kind of up there with a fully diluted market cap of over 27 million. So we do have some heavy investors in this token. So here we go. We're going to hit the charts real quick. On this chart, surprisingly, with a lot of the crypto, we've been in, I've seen a lot of descending triangle patterns. Here we actually have an ascending triangle pattern in the crypto. First, before we even get started, let me hit this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Any information given today is not advice to buy, hold, or sell. This should be used for informational purposes only. Please do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. All right, family, let's get to it. Let's hit these charts. Let's see. It looks like we're kind of in a consolidation mode. Look like we have a handle and cup pattern forming here. You see the big handle and this round cup pattern forming here. We like to see these patterns forming because it lets you know that a breakout could be possibly occurring. When you're starting to see these patterns and shapes occur, like your triangle patterns, the ascending, we're actually in a ascending triangle. If I draw it up, I've been doing technical analysis for so long that I can just naturally see the patterns without actually drawing the lines and the shapes that you see other technical analysis investors do. So the daily chart, we're looking good. From where we were starting off, you see we went through a consolidation period here, excuse me. Then an uptrend. Then it pulled back a little bit, and then we have a lot of volume going in here in the middle of December. Now we're on a pull back, but it found that level of resistance here, which this seems to be a nice level, good because it could possibly come back and touch this level here, guys. We got to be aware and cautious when making any investment decisions. But we had that surge back up, and now we look like we're back in that consolidation period, that cup forming that cup pattern here. Looks like we have some selling pressure, but doesn't look like it's too much to worry about at the moment. Let me hit the 4 hour to get a clearer view. As far as the volume coming in and out, yeah, we're definitely in a nice consolidation area here. Since the beginning of January, actually, since the beginning of the year, we had this surge here, and now it's just kind of staying within this range, right here, from here to down here. See the nice level of support and resistance lines that have formed on Inuyasha. So I mean, like I say, when you see a asset go down and then it consolidates, it's kind of better to go ahead and start building a base opposed to waiting for it to reach an all-time high, and then everybody wants to get in and they're confused when they're losing money because you have the people that's been in early in the investment that are now taking profits. So get in these projects early, get in them low, wait for them to surge up, and then wait for that pullback, because it can pull back. You know, this is crypto. It's going to do a 50% pullback on most of these new projects. Wait for that pullback, and then you start investing slowly, compounding your growth. I did want to hit their Twitter because I believe they had a major announcement today. Yeah, breaking news. Okay, so there has been a slight delay in the scientific DAO, but details for the next project are below. And before we hit this project, I do want to hit the Yasha pad. Hold on, let me hit this real quick because I did not know that they actually had they're launching projects within their ecosystem, which is Guzzler. I looked into that. I believe it's a car game, play to earn game, and then Clifford New, which is the Clifford the dog, which has been out since December. I've seen a lot of YouTubers pushing the Clifford Inu. So I did not know that these were actually on the Inuyasha ecosystem. So that's a good thing. They're building their own ecosystem, and they actually have some good coins on there that people are investing in. So that's always good to hear. And then let's see. Let me pull this up real quick for y'all to touch on this. Look like they have another coin releasing on the ecosystem, which also look like it also involves NFTs. Look like it's called Poki Inu. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Pochi Inu or Poki Inu. Pre-sale opening day to be January 24th. Today is the 19th, so that would launch sometime. Was that next week? Poki Inu, developed by our market maker, will be an ERC20 token / ERC721 NFT token. See, that's where the NFTs are coming into play here. Getting into that metaverse. I'm sure they're going to have that Yasha verse also. The NFTs will be integrated growth / decay into smart contracts. The NFTs will be integrated into our Yasha verse, which I was just talking about, metaverse, Yasha verse, built in Unreal 5. Think Tamagotchi, but virtual pets. You can interact with the inside of the that you can interact with inside of the metaverse. The utility of the token will be to repair the deterioration of the NFT. White papers coming soon. Launch estimated February 2nd. Okay, it's look like they do have some requirements. Minimum 10 million Inuyasha ERC20 and one charity token ERC721 with potentially rarity multiplier. Mint date announced as soon as possible. Okay, so they do have another project that they will be releasing here next week on January 24th. And I did want to touch on the Poki, the Yasha verse, what they were just saying, the dog here. I guess this would be an example of the metaverse that they're creating. Looks pretty good. No complaints. And from there, let's see. Look like we got all the information that we needed to get. Okay, they're doing a giveaway. Please subscribe to their Twitter site so we can get these followers up. And also, we're going to get our holders up also. I'm going to keep you all informed. We're going to come back and touch on this next week. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.